Well, my boy Bryce just called and he said he and his friend Pat are hungry. Now there's something new. They're headed up here to the lodge to get something to eat, so I have exactly 16 minutes to make them something delicious. I'm gonna throw together some buffalo chicken burgers. Oh my goodness, these are delicious, saucy, drippy, and wonderful. I started with ground chicken and I seasoned with salt and pepper, and I'm gonna add just a little melted butter and some Louisiana hot sauce, the stuff you'd use if you were making buffalo wings. I'm gonna go in with my hands. There's no better way. Ground chicken is such a great alternative to ground beef. Don't tell any rancher I said that. I love the texture of ground chicken. It's so soft and tender. Okay, I'm gonna divide this little pile in half, and I'll make 2 equal-sized patties. When you're making buffalo chicken burgers, you don't want to form teeny tiny thin patties. You really want to make a nice, big, substantial one. Okay, I'm going to get this into a skillet with a little vegetable oil in it, and I'll get the other one formed. Patrick is my best friend Hyacinth's son. I'm kind of his second mama, and he's my 3rd son. My 4th son if you count Lad. Okay, I'll get the other one in. And I'm gonna go wash my hands. While the burgers keep cooking away, I'm gonna whip up a really simple buffalo sauce. It's about a 1/2 cup of melted butter, and I'll add the same amount of the hot sauce. Louisiana hot sauce is also called cayenne hot sauce. It's used to make buffalo wings, anything where you want that really tangy, spicy flavor. There is nothing like it. I filled it a little bit full. I'm gonna try not to make a huge mess. I wanna stir this until it's totally mixed together and the butter isn't separated at all from the sauce. That looks great. Now I'm gonna flip the burgers. See how they look? Oh my goodness. Yum, yum. Now I wanna start this saucy process. So I'm gonna spoon a couple of spoonfuls of the sauce onto each burger. So while they cook on the other side, I'm gonna make a simple blue cheese dressing to go on the burgers. Started with about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise and the same amount of sour cream and about 1/4 cup of blue cheese crumbles. You can add more if you're a big blue cheese fan. Splash of vinegar and salt and pepper. Another quick way you can make blue cheese dressing is just to take a bottle of ranch dressing and add blue cheese crumbles. Don't think I haven't done that from time to time. All right, that is all mixed together. So now I'm gonna get some buns into a skillet to toast. I've been heating up an iron skillet and I'll get a little bit of butter going. Instead of plain buns, I thought it would be really delicious to use onion rolls. So I'll get those in. Make sure they soak up the butter in the skillet. And I just need to let these toast for about 2 minutes. Oh my gosh, the other side of these burgers looks delicious. Now I'm gonna pour just a little bit more sauce on the other side. All right, I'm gonna let these keep cooking for a couple minutes.
Dude, I'm so hungry.
Honestly, one of your mom's meals sounds perfect right now. I can't think of anything better.
The burger patties are almost ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the buns out. Oh, they look great, buttery and toasty. I love toasting buns before building burgers.
You know what she's making?
Nah, I ain't got no idea.
Okay, now I'm gonna get some of this sauce. This sauce is getting a workout. I'm gonna pour a little bit on the bottom bun. Okie doke. Time for the burgers to go on. This is a burger fit for a teenage boy. Okay, now I'm gonna put all sorts of fun stuff on top. I've got some thinly sliced celery, and I'll drop a little on each burger. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of blue cheese dressing on each pile of celery. And then a little bit of extra blue cheese crumbles. Why not? Okay, I'm gonna put a little dressing on the buns, the top buns. Hey,
Hi.
speaking of dreamy,
How are you?
my two favorite teenage boys.
How you doing?
Don't tell Todd I said that.
Oh, okay.
Hi, Bryce. How are you, son?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. This is fancy.
Well, you said you were hungry. I made you buffalo chicken burgers.
I didn't think you were gonna go all out.
I always go all out for you guys. All right, why don't you guys go chow down?
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, boys. Just love those kids.